Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to show you how to get into newsela.com for the first time. So I have a web browser opened up here, and in the address bar at the top I'm going to paste the quick join code for our class. When I hit enter, it takes me to this page here. You can see our class information, and down here I'm going to click on it's my first time here. This takes us to a sign in page. You can put your first name here. I would just put my last initial for last name. Under username, I would put in your student number, and then I would put eagles.1 for the password. That'll keep it nice and simple, the same as you log into the computers at school. You need to type eagles.1 one more time to make sure you've got it correct, and then you click on sign up. Now, this will take you to this home page. It shows you the assignments that I have posted here for you. You're going to see 4 different choices. So your job today is to pick one of these articles that you think sounds interesting to you, to read it and then do the write and quiz activities. After you've done that, you can go on and you can go back and read any of these other articles if they sound interesting, or you could decide to click here and explore other articles they've posted that people might find interesting. You could even click on the search up here and you could type in any kind of topic and it will come up with any possible matches where they might have articles for you. So back to this page where the assignments are, you're going to again take a look at which of these articles you're interested in reading, and then once you decide, you can click anywhere in this box and it will take you through to the article. So here we are, it's taken us to the article, and we click on it again. The instructions here say read this article at the level that is comfortable for you and then complete the write and quiz activities. So the comfortable level is something you're going to want to think about right away before or as you start to read. The level of the word difficulty can be changed in Newsela. If you go up to this oval up here, you'll see some numbers and a capital L. And if you click here, you can see some different numbers. So you can lower the number or raise the number to make the words easier or harder. The main ideas of the story are the same, they just change some of the words for you. So pick a level that seems right for you. As you go through the article and get down to the end, you'll see Take Quiz. You can click on that to take the quiz. You can also find the quiz over here in the Activities tab. If I click on this, it opens up my write and my quiz activities. You can also take the quiz here. If I click on write, it opens up a question for me to think about. I might even want to talk about that with some people in my house. And then I write my answer right here in this box. I can type as much as I want. And when I'm done, I hit Submit Response. And that will send it to the teacher. Once you've done that, as I said, you could go back and read any other articles you're interested in for today. Thank you. I hope this helps you understand how to get into Newsela for the first time.